Fala galera, depois de muito tempo fora daqui do YouTube, estou de volta com muito conteúdo bacana para vocês, beleza? Espero que vocês gostem dessa obra que a gente fez aqui na beirada do lago. Foi uma obra incrível, muito trabalho, mas foi bacana, beleza? Espero compartilhar com vocês esse conhecimento, tudo que a gente tem para mostrar tá aqui nesse vídeo, beleza? Acompanhe aí, foi da base ao telhado. Chama que é nóis, vou deixar o vídeo rodando e vou explicando para vocês o que a gente foi fazendo aí, beleza? Primeira etapa aqui, como vocês vê, já chegamos, a laje radier já estava pronta, a gente fizemos aqui a marcação da área externa da casa, depois fizemos um layout interno e começamos a levantar a parede. Vou deixar rodando aqui, deixa o comentário aí o que vocês estão achando dessa obra aí, beleza? Tamo junto!
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Fala galera, eu vou mostrar para vocês aqui agora nessa parte da obra. As paredes aqui são muito altas, então a gente teve que usar essa máquina, chamada de forklift ou zubum, depende do lugar, mas tem esses dois nomes, beleza? Aqui a gente teve que usar ela porque as paredes são muito altas comparando do outro lado. Do outro lado a gente conseguiu certas partes levantar na mão, mas desse lado aqui as paredes são muito altas, então a gente não fosse essa máquina, o nível de dificuldade seria bem maior. Mas olha para você ver como que a gente faz, a gente já pega com a máquina, levanta, coloca no nível certo, coloca no plumo, já trava ela, a gente chama de brace, que é onde você trava a parede no chão e é onde ela vai ficar, beleza? Olha para você ver, essa parte da casa foi a parte mais alta que teve das paredes inferiores, né? Mas o segundo piso, as paredes são uma maior que a outra, mas não foi tão alta como foi aqui agora, beleza? Acompanhe aí, deixe seu comentário, você tem capacidade de fazer? Se não, cola com a gente que você vai aprender, beleza? Olha aí.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of saying something not illogical, something that is topical, rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable, if you're irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can undertake it. I'm chasing a dream that I never separate, just a vacant. Not a kicked up, so I'm taking
one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thought
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
like
I
candy
got
canes
no
and things
love
need to
for the
change into a
fakeness.
better
If you
frame,
wanna
into a
play
better
tough
name.
and wanna hate
Society's
this,
insane, we
I'll
all
always
live
show
for fame.
up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm back, baby I'm back. Live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Put a rock star on the side, live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Put a rock star on the side, live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad.
junto.